Hey everybody, welcome back to Snickerdoodles by Tom's Toys. Happy September, everybody. I know, it's crazy. It's starting to just feel like fall around here, and I have just had so many holiday tip-offs on this last week. We just updated the store window in Beverly Hills with Calico Critters, and it looks all kind of festive right now, and they're doing a Christmas commercial in the Montrose store at the moment. So they came in yesterday, completely redid everything, and it looks like it's in the middle of the holiday season. So I'm feeling very Christmassy, very holiday at the moment. Even though it's only September, I can't believe it. The year is just going way too fast. So today I have something that could be a good holiday gift for you, or it could be something good right now. It's a set I really like. This is Kullerbu by HABA. It's a wooden and plastic ball construction, kind of marble run set made in Germany. I've actually had my eye on this kind of toy for a while, but for some reason previously the sets were really expensive and they just didn't speak to me for some reason. But in 2018, earlier this year, HABA came out with a couple of new and kind of a whole redesign of the Kullerbu system, and I'm super happy with it. I really, really love it. So I'm gonna unbox one for you right now and kind of set it up while we're talking. I've got one already set out, but I thought it would be kind of fun to unbox the other demo set that I got to kind of see how it looks straight out of the box. So while I'm working here, let me tell you a little bit about HABA. HABA is, I don't think I've done a video on a HABA product on this channel before, but it is definitely one of my go-to brands for top quality toys and games. The company was founded over 72 years ago in Germany, and since then it has grown to a company of international proportions. The US branch is pretty small, but they are some of the friendliest people I've ever worked with. I love this company, and they are located in, let me see if I can pronounce this, I had to look it up, and please tell me if I get it wrong, HABA. I know you're watching. Skinniatolis, New York. Tell me if I got it right. So HABA has a huge catalog, and they carry a ton of variety. There's many, many different products that they carry. They have a gigantic wooden toy selection, which I really like their product on, and a good chunk of those products are made in Germany. The ones that aren't made in Germany are actually made in China with HABA molds and materials and training, and they specifically keep a really, really sharp eye out for product safety. Their wooden products are coated in water-based lacquers, not paint. So besides all these awesome things, I personally like HABA because even though they carry what I would call classic toys, their toys are pretty much the opposite of boring. So sorry for a little bit of the camera angle switch there. I realized when I was starting to pull this out of the box that there were way more pieces in here than I thought, and so I had to do a little readjusting to make sure that we had space to build. But I think we're back in business now, so let me try and put this thing together. Now back to Kullerbu. One of the things I really like about this set, there's a lot of things I really like about this set, but let's go down the list here. So first of all, I love that it's a marble run set. Won't even lie. If you've seen my Gravitrex video, you know why I love marble run sets. The second reason I really love this set is that it's meant for ages 2 and up. And that means it's not a choking hazard. Every time I see something that's intended for ages 2 and up, I want to do a little happy dance because there are so few good, challenging toys on the market for that age bracket. So I really have to give a hand to a manufacturer whenever they decide to go the extra mile and do the testing and the design requirements necessary to make sure that something isn't going to be a choking hazard and then it's fine for that age bracket. So in interest of time, we're going to speed things up a little bit. So I finally got this set built. There were a lot more pieces than I was expecting, which isn't a bad thing at all. The click system, putting the pieces together, wasn't the easiest thing in the world, but it wasn't also the most difficult thing in the world either. And it makes these pieces really sturdy and really tight fit together, which for me as a mom of a 2.5-year-old is a huge plus. There's nothing I hate more than having my kid set up a set and then it keeps breaking and he keeps trying to put it together and he doesn't quite have the dexterity to get it, all the way set yet. And so it requires a lot of mommy help. This set I could see setting up and just having him play with it for a while. No outside assistance needed. I really love the wooden Marble Run balls. They just sound so neat going down the track. I just love to hear that whoosh. And there's one more piece about these sets that makes me maybe a little too ridiculously happy. So each set comes with a little momentum motor car. It's got a little friction motor in it. No batteries, nothing like that. It's kind of like the monster truck kind of cars. But what this means is, and this is what makes me super happy, you can put the car on the track, push it forward, and it will actually go up your marble run. I don't know why this makes me so happy, but I could sit here and seriously do that all afternoon. I think everyone has an inner child inside, and maybe mine's just a little closer to the surface at times. I think I've got the perfect job. So anyway, thank you so much for following along with me. I hope you enjoyed Kullerbu. And if you have any questions regarding Kullerbu or any other toys, please feel free to reach out to me, either comment below or reach out to me on any of my social media sites. If you happen to be in Beverly Hills, Montrose, or San Luis Obispo, California, please stop by Tom's Toys and say hi. We are currently selling Kullerbu in only our Beverly Hills location. So if you are located near Montrose or San Luis Obispo, or anywhere else in Southern California, I've provided links, shopping links for you below. And I can give free shipping anywhere in Southern California and free gift wrapping as well. I have 13 years of experience in the toy industry and I'm a mom of 2. I am so passionate about toys and I love finding those toys that really help unlock a child's creativity and imagination. So if you have any suggestions on toys you want me to review or take a look at or recommend as videos to other parents or other gift givers out there, please let me know. And thank you so much for watching, and as always, keep playing.